Let's begin today by exploring the fundamental features of BatchMan. To initiate it, enter the transaction code J5HEN. Under Master Data you can find Job Maintenance. To create a new job, enter the name for it and then press the button here. Jobs are always bound to a target system. Click here to select your target system. I will choose here Client 800. It's practical to put in a description right away, to let you understand the job later. Let's switch to the step list to define the steps of this job. Here you have the option to use the BatchMan-owned master data, where we have predefined steps we can use. Here we can use a dummy job running for 30 seconds, which is predefined. Beside the step name you can find the report, variant, and the other information. Also, you could click here to type in and define the step with all reports, variants and all data directly. Then it will generate a BatchMan master data instead. But for good practice you should configure the steps up front, and we will cover this in another tutorial. Here we can see how to use the direct input. Now you can see it will directly search for the according record. When you are done, press the Save button in the tool list. Now we are good to go. We have our step list inside. The target system is defined. Now the job would be ready to run. Click on the glasses button to switch to viewing model. If you want to run it directly for tests, inside the master data you can directly choose Submit to Batch. But normally you would put it in some kind of BatchMan order, which we will cover in our next video. Thank you for watching. Do you have any questions or you want to learn more about BatchMan? Contact us now.